Welcome to Trial of Coding. Code your way to mastery, one step at a time. We're here to guide you on your journey to coding mastery. In this video series, Trial of Coding Python, we'll delve into the versatility and power of the Python programming language. Python is a fundamental language in today's technology landscape. We'll explore its wide-ranging applications, key benefits, and important considerations to help you decide if it's the right choice for your programming goals. Our content is designed to be beginner-friendly, providing a clear path towards programming expertise. Let's begin our exploration of why Python is such a popular and powerful language. Here is an intro to Python, understanding its versatility and power. Python is one of the most popular and beginner-friendly programming languages globally, known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. It offers a rich ecosystem for various applications, including web development, data science, machine learning, and automation. Its clean English-like syntax makes it easy to learn, while its extensive libraries and large community accelerate development. Python's adaptability allows it to be used across diverse fields, making it a valuable skill for both novices and experienced developers. Let us see how to get started working on Python. Python software can be downloaded from python.org and installed in the machine. Consider Anaconda if you're learning for data science, which includes pre-packaged libraries like Pandas and NumPy. If you are a core developer and looking to be one, use integrated development environments, IDEs, like Visual Basic Code, PyCharm, or Jupyter Notebook. A simple text editor like Sublime Text also works. There are a few online browser tools like Google Colab, Replit, and Python Anywhere, which helps you experiment without having a software installed. The benefits of learning Python. Its easy to learn, readable syntax similar to plain English makes it beginner-friendly and powerful for experts. Python has got massive support for AI, machine learning, and deep learning via libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Pandas, dominating the data science field. Python is versatile and used across fields like web development, automation, scripting, finance, robotics, biology, and education, showcasing its broad applicability. Python has got huge community and resources. There are tons of free tutorials, courses, documentation, and active forums like Stack Overflow and GitHub with extensive package support. Python is very helpful in automating repetitive tasks, enables scripting for automating manual work such as file handling, data processing, and web scraping. Opportunities with Python. Know where Python is used. In data science and ML, predictive modeling, statistical analysis, and visualization using tools like Pandas, NumPy, and TensorFlow. In web development, building websites and APIs with frameworks like Django and Flask, used by Instagram, Reddit, and Spotify. AI and deep learning, creating neural networks, image recognition, and NLP systems with libraries such as PyTorch and Keras. Automation and scripting, automating repetitive tasks like file renaming, data entry, and emailing using libraries like Selenium. Finance and fintech, quantitative analysis, algorithmic trading, and risk modeling with Pandas, NumPy, and TALib. Scientific computing, used in physics, bioinformatics, and psychology for simulation and analysis with SciPy and Jupyter. Game development, developing simple 2D games with Pygame and implementing AI game agents. Cybersecurity, writing security tools, analyzing malware, and testing networks for vulnerabilities. Next, let us understand what Python can do. To the current year and developments so far, here a table that provides quick insight on where Python is used best and where it is not used widely. As we have covered in the used in the previous screen, here are the areas where Python is not fully in use. Basic mobile apps are used with Kivy, Beware. For game development, Pygame is used, but it's limited as on date. Embedded systems or IoT, MicroPython exists but less powerful. High-performance computing needs C or C++ extension for speed. Front-end code requires JavaScript or WASM. And should we also understand why Python can't replace every language? Speed limitations. Python is interpreted, making it slower than compiled language like C++, Rust, or Go. For heavy, real-time processing or system-level tools, Python may be too slow unless optimized with extensions. Mobile development, Python is not the primary language for mobile apps. Java and Kotlin for Android and Swift for iOS remain the industry standards for native mobile development. Browser front-end code. Python does not run natively in web browsers. Front-end development requires JavaScript or WebAssembly for interactive client-side functionality. System programming. Python lacks the low-level control needed for writing operating system-level code, drivers, or kernels. Languages like Rust or C are preferred for these tasks. Understanding Python's role in the tech ecosystem. It's data-centric and excels in data science, machine learning, and AI, driving innovation in these fields. As a web backend, it powers robust web backends and APIs, supporting major internet services. Integration, Python's versatility, allows it to integrate with various systems and technologies. Automation, its scripting capabilities make it ideal for automating repetitive tasks and system administration. Your learning path. For data science, AI, machine learning, back-end web development, and for scripting and automation, Python is the right choice. Additional learning of C++ and Rust for high-performance games. Java, Kotlin, Swift for native mobile apps. Rust C for OS or hardware-level code. JavaScript for front-end part of full-stack web development. Can help specializing in these fields. Hope this video helped in understanding Python and its uses with the growing popularity. More learnings to come, stay tuned. Like and subscribe for more such videos. This is Trial of Coding. Code your way to mastery, one step at a time.